Yo guys, my name is Prosper, and in today's video we are going to talk about how to get Udemy free courses. Yes, we all know that Udemy is not giving courses for free, and Udemy courses are not actually free. But in this video I am going to give you a cheat code that you can use to access some of the Udemy courses that you are supposed to pay for under normal circumstances for totally free. And I only need you to stay tuned, pay attention to this video, and watch this video to the end. And yes, one more thing, I need you to subscribe to this channel so that we can continue to grow together as a family, and preferably like this video and share to all friends and family members that might be interested in getting free Udemy courses to basically broaden up the knowledge and just get wiser and get more wisdom. Yes, so let's dive straight to my PC so I can show you exactly what we need to do. Now when you come over to the PC, you're going to see that I'm on Google and we are going over to Udemy. First of all, we are going over to Udemy and we are going to create an account on Udemy. Okay, so if you pay close attention, you can see that I have an account on Udemy already. Yes, I have an account on Udemy already. So all you need to do over here is that you need to create an account on Udemy using your email account. You get what I'm trying to say? Now, if you scroll down, you're going to see that I have some courses that I am already learning, and I didn't pay for any of these courses. All these were gotten for free using a method that I am going to show you in this video right now. Yeah. Okay. So first of all, we have one website that I am going to use first to show you exactly how to get these courses. And the name of this website is actually called answersskill.com. Now, whilst you are searching for it, you might see answersskill.com Udemy. Go ahead to click on this because it's going to make it more simpler and easier for you to access these courses on this website. So you're going to go ahead and click on it. Then you're going to click on the second link, not the first link, the second link. That is what? Udemy paid courses for free with certificates. Now, the crazy fact about these particular courses is that it's not just a course that you're going to go through without proof. You're even going to get a certificate if you go through these courses. Now you're going to go ahead and click on it. Then you're going to wait for it to open. And when it opens up, this is how it's going to show. Then you're going to see some ads. Go ahead to just cancel these ads. Then you go ahead to scroll down to this section. Now under this section, you're going to see a whole lot of courses that are free on Udemy right now. Now starting from the first one, Mastering Microsoft Excel, a comprehensive guide to boost you, enroll for free. All these courses you are seeing over here are for free, and you're not even going to have to pay a single dime to get these courses. Some of these courses worth as much as $100, some $50, some $9.99. That is basically $10. But with this video, you're going to get some of these courses for free. Now let me tell you something. Some of these courses, or all these courses, are not going to stay here forever. Every single day this list gets updated. So the courses you see today might actually be different courses when you come tomorrow. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say, but what I'm trying to say over here is that these courses are not stable. So when you see a course that you like, you might as well just go ahead and enroll on that course immediately without procrastinating, because when you try to procrastinate, you come back the next day and that particular course is gone, and you would have no other option than to go source for money that you would use to pay for that course again. Meanwhile, you could have gotten it for totally free. So let's go over to these courses and find a suitable course that we can enroll in for now. So let's take a graphic design masterclass bootcamp for designers. Okay, from designer or from beginner to expert. Okay, so enroll for free, and you're going to wait for it to open. Now When you look over here, you're going to see that there's what? Free. This course cost 27.99 US dollars. And in this course, you're going to learn Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, Lightroom, and Canva. All these 4 apps are combined into this one software or into this one course. Now, we are going to go over to enroll for free, and let's forget enroll for free for now and look at what this course includes. This course is a 16.5 hours on-demand video, 4 articles, 4 downloadable resources, access on mobile and TV, lifetime full access, certificate upon conclusion. Then you're just going to go ahead to click on enroll now. Then you wait for it to just load as it's supposed to. Now you're going to look over here. This course is supposed to cost $27.99. That is approximately $8. But if you look over here, you're going to enroll, and if you look at the total cost, you're going to see that is what? $0.00. Meaning that this course of almost $28 is going to be given to you for $0 at the cost of $0. And it will end in 3 days. So you see that this particular opportunity is only going to last for 3 days. And if you decide to procrastinate and you come back a week later, you would come back to meet this course at a price that you might have to actually look for money to buy. You get what I'm trying to say? Now, I'm just going to go ahead and click on enroll now. Then, you're going to look over here. You see my Udemy. You're going to see that what the course has actually been started. Yes, I can go ahead to click on what? Start course. And I am just going to go ahead to learn and study this particular course for totally free without having to pay anything. Now, look over here. You can see the whole course outline. 17 whole classes for the first section, yeah? And we have the second section, which is for graphic design in Photoshop. Another 4 hours whole class. We have digital art and graphic with Canva. Another 4 hours class. Graphics and illustration with Adobe Illustrator. Another 4 hours class. Now imagine getting all this knowledge for free using this simple website that I'm giving you in this video. I know this is mind-blowing, and maybe that is one of the reasons why you should actually subscribe to this channel and stay tuned, because I am going to be dropping more bangers like this one over here. Now, this is the first website and I trust this website 100%. Now, there are other 2 websites that I have in addition, but these websites might not actually give you free courses at all times. You might sometimes go and some of these courses are already exhausted and you might have to. So what I'm trying to say over here is that some of the courses on these websites are free, some are not free. That is for the next 2 websites that I'm going to give you in this video. Some are free, some are not free. Now, the next website on this list is www.course, okay, Venia. Let me just click Coursevania Udemy. Then I'm going to click on the first link to this website. Now, under this website, you are going to see that they have sections, okay? You have business, design, development, health and fitness, music, office productivity, photography and video, and sales. Now, you just go ahead to click on either of the sections that you see or you find yourself to be interested in. So, let's say I'm going to go ahead to click on business, yeah? I will click on business, and you see over here you can either sign up or log in. I am not going to do this now for the purpose of this video. I don't want this video to be too long, okay? So I'm just going to go ahead to the business sector, and I am going to scroll down to see all the courses that are available. Now you can go ahead to click on load more and explore more of these courses. Let's say I want to take this Upwork beginner course, Win Freelance World, okay? I am going to see, if you look over here, I'm going to see that this course is actually free. I'm going to click on preview this course, and I'm going to go ahead to scroll down to get on Udemy. But wait, we are not yet done. If you look closely, you're going to see a coupon code. Okay, you're going to make sure you copy this coupon code. Control C to copy this code, or you can just go ahead to do this to copy the code. Now if you scroll down, you're going to see that all these courses are not really what you want. They are just popular courses, but we're going to go ahead to click on get on Udemy. Now when you click on this, you wait for it to load and it will open up on your Udemy page. You get what I'm trying to say? Now you're going to see that there's a course, or there's a price attached to this course, which was labeled on that website for free. What we are going to do over here is that we're going to apply this particular code we copied, and we are going to go ahead to click on apply and hope that this particular code doesn't decline. Now if you pay close attention, you're going to see that what the coupon code entered is inactive or expired. So that is the reason why I'm like, this website is not actually 100% assured, because some of the courses might actually be expired, or the coupon code of some of these courses might be expired. So you will have to try and try and try until you get the course you want, because it's not actually so stable. You get what I'm trying to say? Now the third website on this list, let's go over to the third website on this list. Third website is called www.coursecity.com. Coursecity.com. This is the website. This is the third website that you can use to get Udemy courses for free. Now with this course, or with this website over here, you're going to scroll down and you're going to see a sector for Udemy free courses. That is what, under the free courses section, and you're going to go ahead to click on this particular part. Now when you open this part, you're going to see that what Udemy free courses online, and you're going to scroll down to explore the courses that are available. Now with this particular one, you cannot actually select the sections or the niche. You cannot actually select the niche that you want the courses to belong to. These courses are basically general courses, and you would have to scroll down until you see the one that you find yourself being interested in. So let's say I'm going to use this Adobe Illustrator Basics, and I'm just going to go ahead to click on this particular course. Okay, I'm going to go ahead to click on this particular course, and you can see Adobe Illustrator Basics. Start your Illustrator journey with free beginner courses and unlock the skills to create stunning vector designs. I'm going to go ahead to click on go to course. You can either save this course on this website, or you can just go to course straight up from here. Now when you click on this particular one, it's going to go ahead to launch the course, and you will have to click on enroll now, once again on the Udemy website. Yes, on the Udemy website. So you're going to go ahead to click on enroll now, and you wait for it to load. Then when it loads up, you're going to see that what you have been able to enroll on this particular course for totally free once again. Then I can just go ahead to click on start course to start studying this particular course. Now you can see that this particular course is a 1 hour 21 minutes course or video course, and these are what the course entails: interface and navigation, your first drawings in Illustrator, your first drawings in Illustrator 2, and basically just this. And even there's an assignment attached to all this here. This is mind-blowing, guys. So under this, you can just go ahead to explore the courses, explore more. I think all the courses on this website are free, so you just need to make sure you explore the courses. And also, if you are not able to find the course that you are interested in, find something that is similar to what you are interested in. Click on it and scroll down to this sector. You're going to see similar courses, and maybe you might actually find what you are interested in at this side of the website. Yes. So guys, these are the 3 basic ways, or the 3 ways that I have discovered that you can use to get Udemy courses for free. Start using these ways and basically start to broaden your scope on the niche that you are involved in. study more, get more wisdom, just keep exploring. You get what I'm trying to say? Knowledge doesn't really have to be that expensive, or else we are going to find our own ways to get it for free. You get what I'm trying to say? Yeah. So once again, subscribe to this channel to stay part of this community, because you see this video that I have made over here, I'm going to be dropping more videos like these ones or like this one, and these videos are going to be very educative. So if you don't want to miss out on any of the cake that I'm going to be dropping on this channel, you might as well just subscribe. And no, don't only subscribe, turn on post notification. Yes, click on that bell icon and turn on post notification, so that when I post a video, you would be one of the first people to come and watch that video. With this said, I'm going to tell you guys bye for now. Peace.